Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Avid Media Composer on Windows, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Avid Media Composer on Windows, first, close the application if it's currently open. Next, navigate to the Start menu located in the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, select the Control Panel option. In the Control Panel, find and click on Programs or Programs and Features. This will display a list of all installed software on your system. Scroll through the list until you locate Avid Media Composer. Once you find it, click on the application to highlight it. Look for the Uninstall button located at the top of the window or right-click on the application. Click the Uninstall button to initiate the uninstallation process. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the uninstallation. Click Yes or OK to proceed. The uninstallation process will begin, and it may take a few moments to complete. Once finished, you may receive a notification indicating a successful uninstallation. To ensure that all residual files are removed, you can navigate. Typically, this is found in a C:\program files /avid/avid. Press the Windows key and are simultaneously to open the Run dialog. Type in %appdata% and press Enter. In the File Explorer window that opens, search for any folders labeled Avid or Avid Media Composer. Your system should now be free of Avid Media Composer. If you encounter any issues, consider using third-party uninstaller software for a more thorough removal. Always ensure to back up any important project files before proceeding with uninstallation. With these steps, you've successfully uninstalled Avid Media Composer from your Windows system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.